capital M. This is small m. In this video we will learn words which begin with letter M. M for mirror. M for mother. M for mixture. M for market. M for mix. M for meeting. M for map. M for mill. M for money. M for moss. M for monkey. M for mango. M for men. M for mobile. M for mogra. M for marble stone. M for morning. M for minus. M for medal. M for marbles. M for military. M for malaria. M for Maharashtra. M for man. M for music. M for metals. M for museum. M for murder. M for mouse. M for mask. M for multiplication. M for magic. M for millimeter. M for mole. M for mountain. M for minister. M for model. M for mushroom. M for missile. M for machine. M for magician. M for magnet. M for maid. M for male. M for maple leaf. M for marathon. M for mare. M for margin. M for marigold. M for marinate. M for marriage. M for Mars. M for mascara. M for massage. M for meadow. M for metal. M for mint. M for menu card. M for merchant. M for mermaid. M for microscope. M for metal. M for mind. M for mittens. M for modem. M for monitor. M for message. M for moonlight. M for mulberry. M for microwave. M for mob. M for muskmelon. M for mustard. M for mongoose. M for mall. M for Maine. M for manure. M for maroon. M for mason. M for meter. M for maid. M for monsoon. M for mud. M for monk. Thanks.